Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend a sticker from your chat on Instagram. This feature is particularly useful if you've sent something by mistake or simply changed your mind about sharing it. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages seamlessly. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on that icon to enter your direct messages. Now you'll see a list of all your conversations. Open the chat that contains the sticker you want to unsend. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Either way works. Next, find the sticker you sent. To unsend it, click and hold on the sticker until a menu pops up. This is where the magic happens. From this menu, select Unsend. After you click Unsend, the sticker will disappear from both your chat and the recipient's chat, as if it was never sent at all. This feature ensures that your conversations stay exactly how you want them. It's important to note that once you've unsent a sticker, there's no way to retrieve it. So, make sure you're certain before you hit that button. Also, remember that if the recipient has already seen the sticker in their notifications or in the chat before you unsend it, they might still be aware that it was sent. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully unsent a sticker from an Instagram chat. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions about other Instagram features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Instagram.